So this is a pair of Sony wireless Bluetooth headphones. The model number is WH-CH520. And in this video, we're going to try and see if we can fix this common issue where the right-hand earpiece breaks off due to a problem with the hinge, as you can see here. So first up, we need to take this thing apart. So we're going to carefully pull on the ear pad and giving it a bit of force, not pulling too hard, it should eventually come off. And once we've done that, then as you can see, it reveals 3 screws. So let's bring in the screwdriver and undo those. And that should eventually reveal the inside of the right speaker. So next thing we need to do is get a soldering iron and carefully desolder the 2 wires which go to the left-hand speaker. And then once we've done that, we can unclip the hinge and pull the wire through. Right, so here are all the parts laid out. And as you can see here, the hinge has broken off the top. And in order to get to that, you just have to remove this panel. As you can see here, if you look on the left side, you see there's 2 screws down here that you have to undo, and then you can just prise the cover off, and then you can just pull the wire out, and then we have all the parts. So right, next up, we're going to try gluing this back together. Right, so the hinge is now all glued back together, as you can see. Now on its own, this is probably not going to work. So what we're going to do is try using one of these things. So these are brass inserts which you typically use on things like 3D prints when you want to have a thread. So I've picked this one. This is an M2 which is 8mm long, and we're going to basically drill this out so that it can be put in here to reinforce the part. So I've got a 3mm drill bit here I'm going to use on my mini drill. And I'm just going to go in now and just make the hole a bit bigger so that it can take the insert. So yeah, let's get on and drill the hole out now. Okay, so as you can see, the hole's now drilled out and it's now just slightly bigger. And if we take the insert, we can see now that it fits quite nicely, and hopefully we'll add a lot of strength to this and prevent it from snapping off in future. And just hold it in place, we're just going to use some good old super glue. Okay, so the glue has now had some time to dry, as you can see, and now we're ready to put this thing back together. So yeah, first thing we need to do is to thread the wire back in through here, and then it just feeds down the little channel and then comes out through the hole on the other end of the hinge, and then we can clip it back onto the speaker. And when you're putting it back together, don't forget to put this clip back on. Okay, so here's the headphones back together. Last thing we need to do is to refit the ear pad, which you do by using this little slot here on the speaker. So there's a bit of a trick to this, and the way you do this is you feed it in like so, and then you twist the earpiece round, and eventually it should drop back into place like so. And that's it. So yeah, hopefully these are now fixed. So that's it for this video. Hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching.